Hello everyone, this is Fiona from Ether. Welcome to Jiangsu Lianzhong Metal Material Product Steel Company. First, let's visit our hot rolled stainless steel coil raw materials. Our company is a professional steel products manufacturer with good experience of manufacturing and export. Behind of me, this is our stainless steel on-coil machine. We can see these are our finished products. The length can be customized according to customers' requirements. Next, I will show you our stainless steel plates finished products warehouse. Now we are located in our stainless steel plate storage area. We cooperate with many partners all over the world, such as American, Europe, the Middle East, and so on. And we also can notice these stainless steel plates are packed well. Then we are going to deliver them to America today. Next, let's visit cold rolled stainless steel coil raw materials. These are stainless steel slitting finish products. And here are our shipment materials. We also can find the raw material on our on-coil equipment. It's tin plate. Let's take a closer look.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.